So I'm reviewing this amazing product that we had today. Sometimes you have those your neck pains from doing your job. Those of you who actually do jobs that entails you to focus like that so much. So the neck massager is actually an amazing product that will help you. Now let me show you how it works. And you close here. So it does up to 3 different kinds of massage. Where this ones massage your neck, your bone, your neck bone. This ones. And there's also the vibration. When you change the mode, it has 3 buttons to change. One, thanks only for it to turn on vibration, and the one that only vibrate, and the one that both will do. You can always increase the speed here or reduce the speed. You can get your own today at the price of just 16,000 francs, free delivery to wherever you are in Cameroon. So get yours today and be free of neck pain. So let's see. Just like a pillow, you rest. How it does its work, so simple to use. You can get yours.